In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do maths with Microsoft OneNote. Microsoft OneNote is an incredibly versatile tool for taking notes, but it also has a built-in feature that allows you to perform calculations directly as you type. This is perfect for quickly summing numbers, checking totals, or handling simple arithmetic without leaving your notebook. To get started, simply type the calculation you want to make, add an equal sign at the end, and then press the space bar. For example, imagine you're in a meeting where someone lists sales figures for 4 regions but doesn't provide the total. You can type 12 plus 23 plus 15 plus 18, add the equal sign, and press space. Instantly, OneNote calculates the result and displays it right there on your page. Although Microsoft recommends not using spaces in your equations, it's not strictly necessary. Typing 2 plus 3 with spaces still works when you press space after the equal sign. However, in more complex calculations, spaces may cause errors, so it's a good practice to follow the recommendation and avoid them. This calculation method works with other operations as well. For subtraction, use the minus sign, such as 200 minus 45, which equals 155. For multiplication, use an asterisk, like 12 times 14, which equals 168. For division, use a forward slash, for instance, 960 divided by 8, which gives 120. You can even handle exponentiation using the caret symbol, so 5 to the power of 3 equals 125. Percentages using the percent sign, like 20% of 80 equals 16, and factorials with the exclamation mark, for example, 4 factorial equals 24. You can also create more complex operations by using parentheses to control the order of calculations. Without parentheses, 5 plus 7 times 3 plus 2 equals 28. But with parentheses, such as open parenthesis 5 plus 7 close parenthesis times open parenthesis 3 plus 2 close parenthesis. OneNote calculates the correct result, 60. This allows you to manage more sophisticated calculations and ensures accurate results, no matter the complexity. Next time you need to quickly sum numbers, calculate percentages, or verify an arithmetic problem, Microsoft OneNote makes it easy to do it all directly within your notes. It's a fantastic feature for students, professionals, or anyone who wants to combine note-taking with real-time calculations. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.